Hi guys, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can enhance your production skills with the help of AI. This is a proven way which I have used personally myself and it has worked for me. That's why I'm making this video for you guys. And if you don't believe me, watch this video carefully till the very end. Apply the method on yourself and share your experiences in the comments of the video. Be frank, be honest, because I can guarantee that this will definitely help you improve your production scores with the help of AI. So let's start the video. Hi guys, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to another video. Today we are talking about a website will help you improve your production scores with the help of AI. There is a very beautiful and useful feature in the website which evaluates your speaking and writing answers in details and also gives you the teacher guidance on how you can improve your answers for speaking and writing. And that's why I think it is one of the best features in any website that can help you improve your production scores and the less span of time. So, without further ado, let's just start the video. And I want you to watch this video all the way till the end. Okay, so this is the website. The website is called dtpractice.com. The link of the website is in the description of this video. You can directly come to this website from that link. I'll just click on start for free. In order to create an account and sign up in the website, it's completely free. I've already created an account, but okay, so after creating an account, you will be redirected to this homepage, and here you can do lots of things which I've covered in the previous video which I've made about this website. But today we're specifically talking about the correction service, which is the feature I was talking earlier in this video, that with this feature you can actually improve your production scores. Okay, but one thing that I have to mention here is that this is not free. In order to get advantage from the correction service feature of the website, you have to go premium, as I am in the premium membership center already and I am a premium user of this website, so I can get advantage from this service. And if you want to get advantage and if you want to get advantage and use this service for for the enhancement of your production scores or for the enhancement of your reading or speaking scores, so you can go premium. All right, so on the correction service, what it says is that on the speaking and writing practice pages, you can apply for the correction service directly. All right, I have already used this service twice, and I will give you details that how it has helped me increase my speaking and writing. So first of all, let's go for speaking. Okay, so I actually answered this question in Read Then Speak. The question was, talk about an important decision that you made. How did this decision impact your life or future plans? Looking back, do you think you made the right choice? Why or why not? Okay, if I come down, so here is my answer to this question. Let's listen.
Talk about an important decision which I made in the past, and I'm going to talk about the outcome of that as well. So it is uh, from 2019. I decided to create my YouTube channel and earn money from this way. But I was very young. I was at school. My dad and my family members didn't want me to create a
Okay, so this is my answer. You can see that every word which I uttered while answering the question is written here in a written form, and here is the oral assessment of my answer. Overall, I have gained 125 points. From points, it means 125 scores. My fluency was 150, content was 150, lexis was 80, pronunciation was 85, discourse coherence was 140, and grammar was 105. Okay, if I come down, I made 42 pronunciation errors, and here is the I had zero unexpected interruptions, zero missing pause, I had zero suspected reading aloud, and suspected repetition is only one. Okay, this is where your answer is evaluated in detail, and if you follow the instructions given by the teacher guidance, then you can actually improve your answers the next time you answer such questions. Okay, first of all, let's talk about content. So in content, my score in content is 150, right? So it says that the oral answer is basically relevant, rich in content, and general expression. Basically, according to the requirements of the question, I mentioned the decision I made and its impact on my life, which is the positive points of my answer. But it says it expresses a certain amount of information, but some things are simple. For example, he did not elaborate on the specific challenges he faced after his decision and how to overcome them. So, one thing which I lack in my answer is that the lack of elaboration uh, about specific challenges which I faced after making the decision, and also the steps which helped me overcome that problem. So, this is something that I have to keep in mind. And next time, if I'm going to answer such questions, and if I elaborate on a specific challenge and also talks about the way I overcome that, then instead of 150, the chance will be that I will get 116 content. Okay, so the least amount of scores that I have gained is in Lexis, and let's see. Okay, so it says that it mainly uses basic words such as create, earn money, focus, provide, and grateful, etc., and lacks the use of complex or advanced words, resulting in low lexical complexity. So my lexical complexity was low because I used basic vocabulary instead of advanced vocabulary. So if I want to improve my Lexis scores, then the next time I answer such questions, I have to focus on using advanced words rather than using the simple and basic words. And the second one is repeated use of the same words and expressions such as create, money, and decision, lack of variation, single use of overall spoken vocabulary, repeated use of the same or similar words. So these were the problems in my lexis or my vocabulary while answering the question. So I have to keep this in mind, and next time, if I'm answering any question, then I have to keep these points. And instead of using basic words, I have to use advanced words. And instead of repeating the same word again and again, I have to use alternatives in my answers. So, this is how this can help you improve your points because it gives you in detail evaluation. Okay, so this is for speaking. Now let's go for the writing. Okay, I used it for writing as well and for the new question type, interactive writing. So, okay, so here is the question. In step one, I was asked, write about a time when you achieved a personal goal that you set for yourself. Describe the steps you took to reach this goal and the emotions you experienced upon achieving it. And if I come down, okay, so this is my answer. One of my life goals from 2019 was monetizing my YouTube channel and earning money from YouTube. So this is my answer. Okay, so there are two mistakes which I made while writing the answer. One is a lexical error, which is I used since in this sentence. I started posting videos on my channel since 2019, and it says that the use of vocabulary should be consistent with the meaning in context. It is recommended to change since to in. So next time, if I'm talking about this, or if I'm using this, writing this exact sentence, I have to say, I started posting videos on my channel in 2019 instead of since 2019. And the second mistake is the use. Okay, so I have used the verb incorrectly, and that is my video started gaining views in my dream fulfilled. Okay, so what I missed here was instead of dream, I should have written that my dream was fulfilled, and the be verb and the passive voice should be used together as a linking verb. It is recommended to insert was and this. So these are the two mistakes which I made. And if we go up, so it says that my overall points are 125. Content wise, my scores are 130. Lexus is 125. Discourse coherence is 115 and grammar is 120. And if we come down, so we have the same teacher guidance for each section of the answer, which is content, discourse coherence, lexis, and grammar. Okay, so my least score is 115 in discourse coherence, and if I come down, so it said the logical structure is basically reasonable and the connective words are used improperly. Okay, so the mistake which I made is that I used the connective words improperly. The logical structure of the composition is basically reasonable, but the logical order or connection between some sentences is not tight enough. For example, although the process of achieving the goal is described as a whole, the detailed description of the specific steps is slightly lacking, and certain paragraphs do not connect clearly. The use of connectives is limited, relying mainly on simple chronological words such as but and. The transition is not natural enough, and the lack of diversified logical connectives leads to a slight lack of coherence in the article. So, what I get from this is that the next time if I answer such questions, I have to use connecting words, conjunctions, and I have to be more coherent in my answer. So that is the mistakes which I made in this one, and I ended up scoring 125 as overall in the interactive writing. Okay, I still have 8 correction services left. Sorry. So if it means that I can use these 8 correction services for my 8 more questions as well. And if so, okay, let's be frank here. If you really want to take advantage from this feature, then I will recommend that you have to first use this feature and write down all these instructions in a piece of paper, and you have to uh, understand your weak points, and you have to understand the mistakes that you have made in this answer. And after working on those mistakes, like work on those mistakes for 1 day 2 days, and after that come back and take another practice and use the correction service again and see the difference. If your scores improved, then it means that you have taken advantage from this feature successfully. But if it doesn't improve, then it means that you haven't really fixed the problems or the mistakes that you have previously made. So that's why I have used this personally, and it is useful. That's why I'm making this video about you. If something is not useful for my viewers, I will never promote them. Just keep this in one thing in mind. And at the end of the video, all I have to say is that the link of the website is in the description. Give this feature a try yourself and share your experiences, your true experiences, in the comments. I will be more than happy to see if it works for you or not. Thanks for watching, and catch you guys in the next.